eat heavy at runway 26 left, ready for takeoff, IFR in John. Lufthansa 718 heavy, hold short, runway 26 left, traffic is Embraer on short final. Short, runway 26 left, Lufthansa 718 heavy, 2290, contact Munich departure on 118.825. Going to 118.825, 2290. Lufthansa 474 heavy, cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left. Cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left, Lufthansa 474 heavy.
Bravo 9.
Check 1092.
Affirmative 1092 on gate Bravo 9.
1092, push per 1 if you move at northeast, advise taxi.
Lufthansa 718 heavy, taxi into position at hold. Position at hold, Lufthansa 718 heavy.
Going real, push approved, advise ready check. That'll be an echo short system right here, Papa. Just an echo short system right here, Papa. Short 80, Russian 3188, check the man spot. I want to get a second cross the step right on this hour. Alright, crossing right now, pretty good approximately outside everything, everything for that jet. Ground, Cactus 1821, spot 9, we got Alpha. 21-3, round up 5 and up. Spot 9, Alpha. Thanks, 1821, check for Papa on the 8 departure side, runway 27 left, taxi, Kilo 3, hold short at 27 right. Alright, we'll look for Papa and Kilo 3, hold short at 27 right, Cactus 1821. George Scott, study 765, crossway 27 right, Kilo 0. Tower AP 4284,
Contact 718 heavy, contact Munich departure on 118.825. Going to 118.825, Lufthansa.
You want to talk to Ram at 30.57.
Flight attendants, seats for takeoff. Before takeoff checklist.
1947.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
Brake pads.
Off.
Right.
Check normal.
Right, 27 left for Kilo 3, hold short.
TARA, tilt above.
Exterior lights.
Right, 3029, crossway 27 right, tower.
Set on.
Sliding tables.
Stowed.
Stowed.
167, exit runway when able.
I'm sorry, 23, just one on station. Okay, very good. Number 41, rolling through 11 kilo echo for takeoff. Let's make it right on to Bravo to the ramp and monitor 49, have a good day. Okay, cross to right on Bravo and monitor bound to the ramp, number 203 heavy. 10-4, contact Spark, have a good day. 10-4, report 697, direct line of voice, right down across the downfield. Bravo 699, you do right line of voice, copy traffic. 791, do you know your range for the ramp yet? Should be launch concept with 791. 791, Zulu, Golf, hold to your right, set it break. Zulu, Golf, hold short, to your right, stay with you, with 791. Cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left, south, departure approved. Cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left, lift contact 1752.
Flex SRS runway.
Munich Tower, Lufthansa 2016, ready to go. Runway 26 left, IFR. South north, Lufthansa 2016, taxi into position and hold.
Power to 7.
Position and hold. Lufthansa 2016.
1051 wind calm, like 211 kilo, over the takeoff. 211 kilo, runway heading departure, good day, thank you, Delta. 6 on that. Airport 203, wind is calm, like 52 right, go takeoff. First takeoff, 50 right, Airport 203. Airport 175.
Munich Tower,
Gear up.
Niner 736, ready for IFR departure. Runway 26 left. Air Niner 736, hold short. Runway 26 left, traffic is
Autopilot on.
upwind. Lufthansa 1752, you are leaving my airspace, frequency change approved. Hold short, runway 26 left, Air Niner 736. Lufthansa 2016, cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left. Air Niner